This is an update on the red tail that I've had for 6 days. It's Thursday morning, July 3rd. And he's doing a lot better. I'm using DMSO and meloxicam on it. You can see his little swollen little ankle area there. That's alright, buddy. He still spends a lot of time laying down, just conserving energy, and that's okay. But I went ahead and put him out in the chambers just so he could get some fresh air, and if he wanted to take a little bath, he could. Alright, here's your breakfast. Well. Don't grab me. There you go. See, he's very eager to eat. And I'm still skinning the food, but I'm giving him bigger pieces now because he has more energy, stronger, so he can pull it. Sorry for all you rat aficionados out there. That was the intestine. And believe it or not, they even get trace minerals from the fecal matter in the intestine, so it's... So he's going through 4 of these a day. Coming along nicely. I thought about taking him to Dr. Martinez today, Thursday, but it hadn't really improved a great deal, but it hadn't gotten any worse either, so I'm just going to keep doing the DMSO. And when he hates the DMSO, his mouth waters, and because if you've ever tasted that stuff, it's just a weird taste in your mouth when you use that product. But it's supposed to help with inflammation, so. See, I don't know if he was injured. Whoa, I know it. I'm assuming, I guess he was injured when he hit the ground. I don't know. We'll see and look at his wing on that side. That's holding it a little bit lower too. Okay. See, you can get a better idea of their physical state when they're out somewhere able to move around more. You can see their gait and their posture and... Okay. You. Whoops. I hear a baby out there. They're ready for their breakfast too. All I do is feed. I know what my level at the food chain is.